Finding the critical points for a function starts with taking the derivative. So let's go ahead and do that. That's going to require the use of the product rule here. I'm going to leave the 3 minus x to the fifth alone, but I am going to take the derivative of x plus 2 to the fourth. So I'm going to have 4 times x plus 2 now cubed times 3 minus x to the fifth. Now I'm going to say plus, this time I'm going to leave the x plus 2 to the fourth alone, and I'm going to take the derivative of 3 minus x to the fifth. That 5 will come down in front, and I'll make the new power is 4. Now, don't forget, you must take the derivative of the inside function. The derivative of 3 minus x is negative 1. The reason I didn't really have to do that over here for this function is that the derivative of the inside function was 1, and that doesn't change the value of the function. Okay. The next step is, after taking the derivative, we want to set this whole result equal to 0. Now, how do I start solving for this giant mess of an expression? I can notice that x plus 2 cubed and x plus 2 to the fourth have some common factors. Namely, I can pull out, at best, an x plus 2 to the third. So I'll do that. Then I can also pull out 3 minus x to the fourth. Here's a 3 minus x to the fifth. Here's a 3 minus x to the fourth. We can pull out 4 of those. So I'm going to say 3 minus x to the fourth goes here. Now I'm going to use brackets to indicate, okay, after I factor that junk out, here's what's left. The 4 is still inside here on this term. I've taken out all of the x plus 2 terms. The 3 minus x to the fifth term, I've taken out 4 of them, so I still have a 3 minus x left over. Over here, I still have the 5 inside. I also still have an x plus 2, so I have 5 x plus 2. I've taken out all of the 3 minus x to the fourth terms, and the negative 1 will still be here, so I'm going to change this plus to a minus. Okay. Still setting this equal to 0. I can clean this inside parentheses up a little bit and then we'll get an answer. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times negative x is negative 4x. Negative 5 times x is negative 5x. And negative 5 times positive 2 is negative 10. So my inside term here really just boils down to 2 minus 9x. Okay. When is this factor equal to 0? Well, this is simple. This is equal to 0 for x equals negative 2. When is this equal to 0? Well, this is equal to 0 for x equals 3. And this term is equal to 0 for x equals 2/9.